The unboxing is going well.
Unboxing I just hate. And it's so hard for me to whip.
Good girl. So strong. Hank, it's okay, mate. Yeah, there we go. And there we go. We've got the circular saw.
Yeah, give it to me about that. I put
1200 watts. 185mm blade. So we'll see. We'll test this out shortly and see how good it is. Plus, you get two blades. I didn't even know. It was $129. Eva, what are we doing here?
My name is Eva and I'm unboxing, but this is a little bit hard for me. And this is the stupidest boxing I'm ever going to do. Ever in the stupidest life as me.
It's a good box. What is in there, Eva?
I don't know.
It's a circular saw. Can you say circular saw?
Circular sword.
Good. And it's not a sword, circular saw, not sword. 2 blades, lovely.
How do you open
HS7600,
this?
and it's a powered one. They've got some similar ones at Bunnings. That's how you get it out. But all this front plate here is like a thin metal, pretty much like the guard she's got in her hands. That's a guide. So that guide there is usually the thickness of the one Bunnings have for $120 or $119 at the moment. It's not as good. This is much better quality, and we're going to see how good it is shortly. Eva, you happy with the unboxing? What do you got there, blade? What are you going to do with that? Ninja Star?
I'm trying to take it off.
Oh yeah, you can't get it out. Oh, stuck, is it?
Got it.
Got it? So use a bit of your muscles. Come on. Get the disc out for us. The blade. Got it? I'm just checking it out. Sure? Can't you just pull it out? Can't you just reef it out? Eva. You want to reef it out?
No.
Yank it out. Oh, you got it. Good girl.
That's just a...
No, it's another disc. It's another disc. Just leave it in there. Okay, so here's it. Just tosses it. Thanks. Thanks, Eva. So we'll install this, and then we'll give it a go. Had to wait for Eva to go to school because this was a bit dangerous and she'd be all over this. So you just get your blade. Get your blade sorted. Get it taken off. Don't cut yourself. They are sharp when they're new. And then these all come with the Allen keys on the side, which is great. There's a blade lock just here. Easy as that. 2. Leave the back one on. Make sure it centers nicely. Plate can only go on one way. Your locker. Lock the blade. You hear it click. Let's give it a little bit of a heave-ho. Take the guide out. Guide goes that way anyway. I won't be using the guide. Not for this. I'm going to test it out in a sec. Works great for $129.